मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग बढ़िया होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे, फिट होंगे। आज हम लोग योगासन करेंगे। ओके, इन्हें आपको फॉलो करना है।
Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are good.
Now let's start. Tadasana. One of the best yoga poses to increase height. Stimulates nervous system, improves body posture and balance. Tone your buttocks and abdomen. Strengthens your ankles, knees, thighs, arms and legs. Improves the function of the respiratory and digestive system. Let's take a look of the postures of Tadasana. Our next asana is Vrikshasana. The benefits of this asana are improves balance and stability in the legs, strengthens the ligaments and tendon of the feet, strengthens and tones the entire standing leg up to the buttocks, assists the body in establishing pelvic stability. Next asana is Trikona Asana. Stimulate and improve the function of blood through the entire body. Strengthens and stretches the hips, back, arms, thighs and leg. Reduces blood pressure, stress and anxiety. Cure indigestion. Gives flexibility to groins, hamstrings and hips. Next asana, Ardha Chandra Asana. This yoga posture helps in improving balance of the body and increasing awareness. The person becomes aware of their body. It strengthens the hamstrings, thighs and ankles. Keeps the thigh bones strong while helping to get rid of back pain. This asana strengthens buttocks, spine and the abdominal muscles. The process of digestion gets improved to a great extent with the help of this asana. Balance and coordination get improved to a great extent with the regular practice of this asana. Next asana is Gomukh Asana. Health benefits of Gomukh Asanas are it stretches your hips, it provides power to your ankles, thighs, shoulders, armpit, chest, deltoid and triceps. Relieves chronic knee pain. Strengthens your spine and abdominal muscles. Helps decompress low spine during folded variation. Next asana, Ustrasana. It stretches chest, abdomen, quadriceps and hip flexors, improves spinal flexibility, strengthens shoulders and back muscles, thighs and arms, tones organs of abdomen, pelvis and neck, reduces fat on thighs, loosens up the vertebrate, opens up the hips and improves posture. Next asana is Balasana. Gently stretches the hips, thighs and ankles, calms the brain and helps relieve stress and fatigue. Relieves back and neck pain when done with head and torso supported. Now next asana is Parvatasana. Its general benefits are stretching the muscles of the arms, back and abdomen, improves the functioning of the spinal cord, re-energizes the body, removes any tension that can have accumulated from an asana practice. Can be practiced throughout the day, especially for those on a computer. It can be done sitting on the chair, removes tension in the shoulders and back. We are very sure that by following these exercises, you be stay healthy and surely it will help keeping fit yourself. So stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching.